Looking for a remote job? Data entry is a great option. But how do you avoid scams? This guide will show you how to find real jobs. First, use Upwork. Create a profile and search for jobs. Start small to build your reputation. Next is Freelancer. Sign up and bid on projects. Use their payment system to stay safe. Fiverr is different. Create a gig to sell your services. Use keywords to attract clients. For direct jobs, check remote.co. It lists jobs from verified companies. Apply directly on their site. Don't forget Indeed. Search for remote data entry and set up job alerts. Check company reviews first. That's it. Use these tips to find legitimate jobs. You can build a great remote career. Like and subscribe for more tips on remote work. Thanks for watching.